Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a single image in your WP Bakery page builder. So let me log in into my demo website. Just add /wp-admin, then let's go to dashboard, and after that let's install a plugin. Let me upload plugin file. You will get this type of file. Make sure that this file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. Here you can see this is official website where you can get WP Bakery page builder plugin, and here you can check the pricing. For the single sites you can get this package. Okay guys, plugin is installed. Let me activate the plugin. And make sure that you have also installed classic editor. So I will recommend you this plugin. Then let's go to pages, and here we can edit any of the page with WP Bakery page builder. So let's edit, and after that here you can see backend editor as well as front end editor. Now scroll down, and here we can add a new row. Then here we can select columns. Let me add 2 columns. Then click on plus icon. Here you can see these are various elements that we can use. Just select single image, and then here you can also add widget title. Then select image source. You can add the image from external link as well as featured image. So let's keep media library, then add an image. Let me upload image from my laptop. Okay guys, image is uploaded. Now scroll down, and here you can see image size. So these are different sizes that you can add. For example, if you want to keep size full, just you can type, and if you want to display the caption, you can enable that. Then for the alignment, by default left, you can center. Then style, here you can see these are various pre-made styles that you can use. Let's keep it default. Then you can link this image with any of the page. For example, I can copy and add any link here. Then you can select link target, open in the same window as well as new window. Then for the design options, here you can see some spacing options. You can also add the border around your image. Scroll down, and let's select a border. And here you can see border width. Let's add, for example, 3. And you can also add from the 3 other sides. Then save changes. Now let's preview. So guys, here you can see images added in our WordPress website. Let's go back and check for the border. Border style solid. Now let's go back and check. Alright, now here you can see there is a solid style border around the image.